Hi students, look at these two problems. Already we started how to solve the linear equations in one variable. So look at these problems. First question solution. Given equation is given equation is 2x by 3 minus x minus 1 by 6, 7x minus 1 by 4 to 1 by 6. Okay? First we will solve this. That means find the value of x from here first. Okay? So take the LCM of denominators. The LCM of 3, 6, 4, 6 is, take the LCM of denominators. Take the LCM of denominators 3, 6, 4, 6. Okay, I'll do it here. See, 3, 6, 4, 6. So 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 3 twos, 6, 6 twos are 12. So what should you do? This is equation 1. Multiplying both sides of equation 1 by that LCM. To simplify the fractional types, what should you do? Take the LCM of denominators and multiply throughout the equation by that LCM. Okay. So 2x by 3 into 12, x minus 1 by 6 into 12, 7x minus 1 by 4 into 12 equal to 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6 into 12. 6 twos, 4 threes, 6 twos, 3 fours. So 4 twos are 8x. So 2 into x minus 1. Here 3 into 7x minus 1 equal to 13 twos are 26. Okay. Now simplify this. 8x, 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2, 3 sevens are 21x, 3 ones are 3 equal to 26. 21x plus 8x, 29x, 29x minus 2x, 27x minus 1. That means 27x equal to 26 minus 1, transpose that side, plus 1. So 27x equal to 27, x equal to 27 upon 27, that will be 1. So therefore x value how much we got? It is not the end of solution. One more question is asked here. Hence find the value of a. Also we are given here 1 by a plus 5x equal to 8. We got the value of x here. That can be put to here. So 1 by a plus 5 into x value 1. So 1 by a plus 5 equal to 8. So 1 by a equal to 8 minus 5, 3. So take cross multiplication, 3a equal to 1. That implies a equal to 1 upon 3. So therefore a value how much we got? 1 upon 3. That is the end of solution. Okay. How much? What is the value of a there? 1 by 3. So second question also same model. We will solve it. Okay. What is the second equation? 4 minus 3x upon 5 plus 7 minus x upon 3 plus 4 1 by 3 equal to 0. Solve it. What is the LCM of denominators? The LCM of 5 3 3 is 15. Multiplying both sides of equation 1 by 15, we get 4 minus 3x by 5 into 15 plus 7 minus x by 3 into 15. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3 into 15 equal to 0 into 15. Both sides we have to multiply. To simplify the fraction type calculations, take the LCM of denominators and multiply throughout the equation by that LCM. Okay. Both sides we have to 5 3s, 3 5s, 3 5s. So here 3 into 4 minus 3x plus 5 into 7 minus x, 13 5s are 65, 0 15s are 0, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 7 5s 35, 5x plus 65. So minus 9x minus 5x minus 14x plus 100, 112 equal to 0. So minus 14x equal to plus 112, transpose that side, cancel. So x equal to 112 upon 14. 14 8s are, right? 8 yes, 8s are. So x equal to how much? 8. Right? What is the value of x there? 8. But that is not the end of solution. What should you find? Also 3p minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 3p minus 2 into what is x here? 8. So 3p minus 8 2s are 16 plus 1. 3p minus 15. 3p equal to 15. P equal to 15 by 3. So what is the value of p here? 5. That is the end of solution. Next question, word problem, we will see. Fifteen less than, third problem. 15 less than 4 times a number. 4 times a number is 9. Find the number. So, how do you calculate this? Find the number, let the number be x. Let the number be x. 4 times a number. So 4 times x is 4x. How much less here? 15 less. As per the data, 15 less than 4 times a number. 4 times a number is what here? 4x. How much less we have? 15 less. Less means we have to subtract. That is equal to how much? 9. Observe this. This is a linear equation. In one variable x. So we can solve this. Already we have seen 4x equal to 9 minus 15, shift that side, plus 15. 4x equal to 24, x equal to 24 upon 4, 4 6. So x value 6. Therefore the required number is 6, right? That is the way we do it. Fourth one. If Megha's age is, fourth one, if Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age, the result is 60 years. Find her age. Okay? So how do we calculate this? If Megha's age is increased by, let Megha's age be, I'll take x years, okay, 3 times her age. What does it mean? 3 times her age is nothing but 3x years. As per the data, what does it mean? Megha's age is increased by, Megha's age is what? X. It is increased by 3 times, that means 3x equal to 60 years. So 3x plus 1x we know 4x. So x equal to 60 into 4 will be by 4, 4 15s. So x equal to 15. What is x there? Therefore, Megha's age equal to 15 years. Okay? Next one. Fifth one we will see. These are all linear equations only. Fifth one, 28 is 12 less than 4 times a number. 4 times a number. Find the number. Okay? So we will see the solution here. Let the number be x. Four times the number is 4 times x is 4x. 12 less than 4 times the x. As per the data condition, read the question carefully and frame the equation. 12 less than 4 times a number. 4 times a number is 4x. How much less here? 12 less. That is equal to how much? 20. Which is a linear equation in one variable. So 4x equal to 28 minus 12 becomes plus 12. So 4x equal to 40. Right? X equal to 40 by 4. 4 tens are 40. So 10. Therefore, the required number is 10. Okay, that's all the end of solution. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.